A father accidentally shut down his town's whole internet in an effort to limit his kid's screen time. Oh, this kid didn't take the 1800.
Oh, yeah, he didn't.
How do you get to your kid to put down the tablet? Nuke your whole town's internet connection.
How does one have the access to do that?
Oh, I assume this guy works for one of these companies or something. A report from the outlet France Bleu says the unnamed dad tried to use a multi-wave band jammer to temporarily cut off the internet connection at his residence. Jammers, which are illegal in France,
So drastic.
and also in the U.S., work by interfering with telecommunications. Yeah, you maybe just go talk to the kid.
How is this your first step? Jammers? No.
Despite their illegality, people still get arrested for using them pretty much all the time. In this case, the dad in question deployed the device in the hopes of prying his social media addicted children away from the grips of their devices. When later questioned by a government official, the man apparently admitted that he only wanted to cut off the connectivity to his house at night between the hours of midnight and 3 a.m., probably so his kids would put their phones down. Well, obviously he got caught here. And it affected the whole town. The neighbors started reporting their outages. There were too many outages, Mo. You start using the jammer.
Imagine, yeah.
This could be a real nuisance. Imagine Willie Doo all of a sudden at his house. He's getting jammed.
And he's getting jammed.
Someone's just screwing with him.
I mean,
I feel like you would be the most irritated.
Yeah, that's true.
You would just be like, what? You'd be calling up, what do you got, Rogers or Bell? You'd be calling them up.
Yeah.
This is not right. I mean, you might be irate.
Yeah, I would. I probably would.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I'm uploading videos.
Yeah.
Sure, bud.
Willie Doo's got a job.
Sure,
At 3 a.m.
bud.
Yeah.
I don't know. I think somebody should try jamming you. See what happens.
Oh.
The man now faces up to 6 months in jail and a fine of 30,000 euros. Don't jam anybody. No jamming.
Ooh, 6 months in jail.
Yeah, I mean, that's probably like the maximum type of punishment.